Good morning, friends. As you know, today we are here for this one-day workshop on Java programming language. Honorable Dr. M.R. Patil sir, then our IQAC coordinator Mr. M. Kaji sir, training and placement officer Mr. Kailash Jadhav sir, our technical director of CIPL Mr. D. Somunshi sir, and of course today's resource person Mr. Tanaji Kharbert sir. Today we organized this one-day workshop on Java programming language because Java has its own benefits, own importance compared to other programming languages. As you know, we started our journey with C programming language, then we studied C++. Means being the student of computer science, we are having the background of C programming as a procedure-oriented language. Then we studied C++ as an object-oriented programming language. Now we can directly switch to the Java as a object-oriented programming language, and it is one of the best programming language created ever. And I am not saying this because I am the passionate Java developer, but Java has proved in last 20 years, in the last 2 decades, the Java has shown its strength as well as its depending upon its performance, the Java has its own importance. Many computer science graduates ask me which programming language I should start with. Yes, if you are having the good knowledge of C as well as C++, you can directly start Java also. This Java you can begin with as a object-oriented programming language. Well, it's depend upon its functionality, then its definition and its popularity, and then obviously Java outscore every programming language. It outscores C as well as C++. Though C programming language is there from last 50 years. If it in terms of job opportunities, again Java outscore every programming language. You can get tons of job opportunities by learning Java programming language. Means you can develop many more applications in Java programming language. If you say desktop applications, we can go for web applications, then we can go for enterprise application, then mobile applications, embedded system, then we can go for robotics also. We can design different games, but the main platform, the Java stands different than other programming languages, that is the Android development or Android application development. And we must think about some of the features of Java programming languages, or some key features of Java programming languages. We must say here Java is easy to learn, and Java is as I already said, Java is an object-oriented programming language. The Java is rich in its API, that is application programming interface, that is rich. One more reason for Java programming language, that huge success is its rich API, and most importantly it's highly visible because it comes with Java installation. And we must say here powerful development tools are available with Java, that is Eclipse as well as NetBeans. Then it has great collection of open source libraries. Then Java is free. People like free things, don't you? So if a programmer wants to learn a programming language, or an organization wants to use technology, and cost is the most important factor, and since Java is free from the start, that you don't need to pay anything to create any Java application. We must say here excellent documentation support, that Java docs, if you go for Java docs, well-versed documentation is maintained in Java docs. That is the key feature of Java programming language. Then Java is platform independent. The key statement given by Java, you can write once, run anywhere. Means that is the tagline of Java programming language. You can write once, run anywhere. and Java is everywhere. It is a platform independent programming language. That's why by looking at these key features of Java programming language, I must say here that one should learn Java programming language for the better future, and for it has the wide range of scope is available, wide range of job opportunities are available for the Java programming languages. And being the student of computer science, being the student of information technology, you should go for this Java programming language. And in today's workshop, I am sure the Tanaji Kharbad sir will cover each and everything, the detailed outline of the Java, the basics of Java programming language, and you can you should actively participate in this one-day workshop in Java. And if you have any doubt related with any concept that he has taught you, you can directly ask question in the Google Meet. Means after every session we are going to arrange the Google session we are going to arrange, and in that session you can frankly ask question to the trainer, to Tanaji Kharbad. And one more thing that I would like to tell you about Tanaji. He is a Java certified trainer. He has done his certification recently. He has completed his Java certification, and he is the key resource person for the Java programming language. By saying these words, I must say here, this particular workshop will highlight all the basics related with the Java programming language, and you will get it through this complete workshop. I am thankful to each and every participant that you have participated in this one-day workshop on Java programming language. I am thankful to Honorable Dr. M.R. Patil sir for his valuable guidance to organize such kinds of workshops for you people. I am thankful to IQC coordinator. I am thankful to training and placement officer, as well as D.R. Somunshi sir. And last but not the least, I am thankful to Mr. Tanaji Kharbad sir for his all the technical sessions that he has covered today. Thank you one and all.